Welcome to this tutorial video that focuses on the AI poetry writing platform Verse by Verse created by Google. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Verse by Verse is an experimental AI platform that helps users write poetry in different forms with the help of many classic writers of the past. To access Verse by Verse, open up a Google search in your browser and input Verse by Verse into the search bar. Once the search is completed, it will be the top option. Click on this to open the site. Once you do, you will need to click the green button, Let's write a poem, in the center of the page. On the next page, you can select up to 3 classic writers that will inspire your writing. Once you click on their name and picture, their description and Wikipedia link will show up on the right side of the screen. This is helpful to give students insight into the background of each individual. Once you click on their picture and their name, they will be highlighted in green. Once you select 3 writers, click the green Next button. On the next page, you can select the poetic form and rhyming scheme you want for your poem. Once you have that selected, click the Next button. On the next page, you will need to input the first line of your poem. You can then, in the next line, select your previously chosen classic writers to fill in the lines of your poem or fill them in yourself. Their lines are generated from AI using their poetic style and writings from the past. Once the lines are filled in, you can choose to finish your poem or add more stanzas. Once you finish, you will be asked to title the created poem. Once titled, click the Complete Poem button. On the final page, you can change the background the text appears in. You can then download the text and background as an image to print and use later. Or you can copy the text and paste it into a different Word document. Finally, it gives you the option to create another poem and begin the process over again. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to use Verse by Verse. Hopefully it can be a new and creative way to teach students poetic form and the background of many famous poets. You can find other videos like this one by viewing and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration Team. Thank you for your time and attention.